Welcome to Verada English, Easy Practice. Are you ready for our fun English lesson today?
I'm definitely ready, Rosie. I have a great conversation about clothes planned.
Mark, I've been wondering, do you prefer wearing comfy clothes or fancy clothes?
That's easy. I'd rather wear comfy clothes any day. I love my jeans and simple t-shirts.
Really? That's so interesting. I'd rather wear something fancy most of the time. I really enjoy dressing up when I go out to places.
I understand that fancy clothes look very nice, but I find they're not always comfortable to wear.
That's true about the comfort, but don't you think it feels wonderful to look stylish sometimes?
You know, I actually do agree with you there. When I have important meetings or parties to attend, I choose something fancy too.
Same here, though I have to admit, when I'm at home, you'll always find me in my comfy pajamas all day long.
Me too. So it seems we both enjoy being comfortable sometimes and dressing fancy other times.
Exactly. It really just depends on where we are and how we're feeling that particular day. Now let's look at some important vocabulary words from our conversation.
First, we have comfy, which is short for comfortable. It describes clothes that feel relaxed and easy to wear.
Then we have fancy, which means dressy, special clothing that you might wear to parties or nice events.
Dressing up is what we call wearing our nicest clothes to look extra special for an occasion.
And stylish means having that modern, fashionable look that makes you feel confident and put together.
Now let's practice with some questions about our conversation. Rosie, did you ask me about clothes earlier?
Yes, I asked whether you prefer comfy or fancy clothes, Mark. And do I actually like wearing fancy clothes regularly? No, you clearly prefer comfortable clothes like jeans and t-shirts in your daily life.
What makes you enjoy fancy clothes so much compared to comfy ones?
I just love the feeling of dressing up and looking special when I go out to different places. When do you find yourself choosing to wear fancy clothes then?
Usually for important meetings or special parties. Times when I want to make a good impression and look my best. And what about you? What do you wear when you're just relaxing at home?
Oh, that's easy. My comfy pajamas, without question. I could wear them all day long. So we both agree that our clothing choices depend on the situation and how we're feeling?
Exactly. The place we're going to and our current mood completely determine whether we choose comfy or fancy clothes.
Wonderful. Now let's practice repeating our conversation together to improve our pronunciation. Hey Mark, do you like comfy clothes or fancy clothes?
I'd rather wear comfy clothes. I really like jeans and a simple t-shirt.
Really? I'd rather wear something fancy. I enjoy dressing up when I go out to different places.
Fancy clothes do look nice, but they're not always the most comfortable to wear.
That's definitely true. But sometimes it feels really good to look stylish, don't you think?
I agree completely. When I have a business meeting or a party to attend, I choose something fancy too.
Same here. But when I'm at home relaxing, I wear my comfy pajamas all day long.
Me too. So, I guess we both like being comfortable sometimes and dressing fancy other times.
Exactly. It just depends on the place we're going and our current mood.
Excellent practice today. Remember to repeat this lesson regularly.
You'll see amazing improvement in your English speaking skills if you practice daily.
Happy learning, and see you in the next lesson.
See you next lesson.